For example, sa women right, no? How can a man who talks about having girlfriends, having relationship, also be the one and maybe the only one in the country, except for Muslim areas, na iban ang swimsuit competition sa beauty contest para hindi ma-objectify ang women? Di ba? How can a man who talks about women easily and about liking women and about liligawan kita o tumabi ka sa akin, but also talk about how to protect them at night, na wag silang mamolestya, wag silang mabastos, di ba? Well, sa human rights, two things, no? First of all, don't take everything he says so literally. Gagawin niya talaga, pero hindi ibig sabihin literal, no? So like, when he says na patay lahat yan, no? One time when he was talking, he said, you know, pag lumaban at pinatayan, example na sa iba, so yung iba, hindi mo na kailangan patayan dahil maniniwala na sa iyo. No, so it's not really kill everyone. It's kill everyone who refuses to stop or kill everyone na lumaban, which is actually under the law. Ha?